Hey, can I teach you a few Korean phrases that people use to comfort someone? They're really warm and simple. Things you'd say to a friend who's feeling down. The first one is 괜찮아, 괜찮아. It means it's okay. That's probably the most common comforting phrase in Korean. Just saying 괜찮아 with a soft tone can really calm someone's hurt. The next one is 너무 걱정하지 마. 너무 걱정하지 마. It means don't worry too much. When someone is overthinking, we usually say this to help them relax. Then, 다 잘 될 거야. 다 잘 될 거야. It means everything will be fine. It gives hope, like telling someone I believe in you. Also, we often say 힘내, 힘내. Literally, like it means have strength. But it's more like cheer up or like hang in there. It's short but really common in daily life. And finally, 천천히 해도 돼. 천천히 해도 돼. It means take your time. When someone feels pressured or anxious, this phrase gives comfort and space. So these are simple, but when you say them kindly, they really make people feel safe and cared for. I love you guys.